Look at me. Go deeper with your perimenopausal nose. Happy May. Hey friends. I know it's been a minute. Just joking. It's been like 24 hours, right? We are unboxing the IPSY Icon box today. They surprised me and sent this over. Now, this box in particular is a quarterly subscription. Big fat question I've got. Does Amazon deliver your IPSY now? That was something that I'm just mind boggled. Like, Amazon out here just doing the Lord's work, man. I mean, getting my, well, I say that. Prime don't be priming like it used to prime, alright? But the fact that IPSY is being delivered by Amazon, it boggled my brain. I was a little shocked. I'll take it though, because Speed, whatever, and Uni be out here like ticking me off. Anyways, we are going to unbox this. Now, this was sent to me in PR, so that means they gifted this to me. So, ginormous thank you to IPSY. It also means I did not get to customize anything. Now, you will actually get to customize yours. Matter of fact, the day I am uploading this, or hope to upload it, then that means that you can get in there and make your choices and your picks. If I look tired, I am tired. My cat, Mr. Ween, Buddy Boo Ween, yeah, he likes to wake me up at 2 a.m. bringing me his toys and singing to me. And although I love him and I appreciate it, I'm so exhausted on top of studying and going to school full time and working. I'm just like, I need sleep, my man. So anyways, let's go ahead and unbox this. If you're new here, hello and welcome. My name is Rhonda. Heck, I don't know what's going to fall out of my mouth, y'all. I'm a sleepy girl. Anyways, this is the May 2026 IPSY Ultimate. My apologies, I did say IPSY Icon because, yeah. So this is the summer collection. Let's get into it. We do have foam. You all don't, oh my god, this thing is like stacked. I love when I see foam because I just feel like whatever is going to be in here is going to be amazing. Alright, first in here is Siley. Is this a brush? Dual-ended blush brush. Okay. Nice for travel and everything. You guys know, if you guys watched my IPSY Extra, I was talking about brushes, how I used to get so flippin' excited over brushes and everything, but in all honesty, like, I've been getting IPSY, Boxy, Sephora, Morphe brushes back in the day for so flippin' long that I'm so good with brushes. But it is, I do realize it is really good if you are just getting into makeup and stuff. It is a really nice way to get really nice expensive brushes at much more affordable prices. Next in here we have Makeup by Mario Ultra Suede Cozy Lip Cream in the shade Naked Spice. Let's open her up. I am actually wearing, this is by Leith Beauty. This is what I put on from the last video. I really do like the gloss. I've always been more of a gloss girl, so let's see if we like this. Okay, first, the packaging feels really cheap. That's a no. I don't like that color. It's very orangey, so I will be gifting that. I don't know. My period's about to start too, guys, so I'm a little, like, more brutal, I guess, than normal. Sleepy, period coming, like, yeah. Alright, what is this? This is, I feel like I could knock somebody out with this. Oh, girl. Derma Actives Resurfacing Honey and Charcoal Mask. Is it supposed to be like that? Or did mine get dented? I mean, it's a heavy doohickey. I think it's made to be like that. Do you see it's kind of like not symmetrical? I don't know if you guys can tell. I've never tried this before, but I'm definitely down to. Next in here, we've got the Glass Primer by Rodial. Primer for a flawless glow. You know, we hadn't seen Rodial for a hot minute. And I do feel like when we were seeing them quite often, and maybe this one is a new item, but I do feel like when we had been seeing them, I was liking their products. I could be wrong on that, but I do feel like it's been a minute and now we're starting to see them start to resurface again. Let me know you guys' thoughts on this. I'll be honest, I don't wear primer anymore. I am so lazy with makeup now. versus like when I started YouTube. Now I'm just like, look, I'm just trying to look semi-awake. Probably because I'm just always tired because of my cat. We're going to say that that's my hair. We're going to say that's my hair, okay? Yeah. Alright, so this is by Kors. This is a night brightening sleeping facial apothecary wild rose with vitamin super C. It's going to brighten and plump. I've used a lot of Kors products. This is one I've not used, but I do like a lot of their products. I'm trying to think. I want to say it was their avocado line I was really in love with. Yeah, I think that was definitely the avocado one. It was really nice and moisturizing and nourishing to the skin. But for this, I've definitely not tried this particular rose apothecary. So next in here, oh my god, I hope that's my hair. YSL Love Shine Candy Gloss in 2 Healthy Glow Plumper. Now I love these. I love these. I've got a drawer of YSL stuff. This is so nice and nourishing. You are gonna love this. I love to keep stuff like this, like whether it's in my purse, my gym bag, my Jeep, whatever. I love them. Plus they're so bougie. And it's just a healthy, no tint, clear, a bougie chapstick. Just joking. It's literally so much better than chapstick. I need to know what this is. Fine Comfort Bouncy Body Cream. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Okay, so this is the Rare Beauty Body Cream. I am so out of the loop. It's so sad. I did not know that she had a body cream. Oh my gosh, how cute. So if you saw my IPSY Extra, I actually received the body wash. So to get the body cream, and I already have the spray and the hand lotion stuff and everything, and I like the scent a lot. It's very much a clean unisex. Oh no, I love this scent even more. What's in that? I don't know. Is it a floral? There's Awaken Confidence. Where are the notes? A whipped bouncy body cream instantly melts into the skin. Okay, I don't see the notes anywhere, but it's, oh, I have to come up with it with my own brain. Shoot. My brain's tired. It's expensive and clean, and there's a perfume that it reminds me of. What is that? Oh, that's gonna drive me insane. It's like a hint of Fleur Honeymoon with YSL. Wait, look at me. Go deeper with your perimenopausal nose. What is that? I don't freaking know. But if you can get your hands on it, do it. Add it to your box. You're gonna, if you like clean, floral, fresh, but like not uber floral. We're not talking like smash the flower and put it into lotion floral. We're talking like sweet honeysuckle floral with a mix of like, I don't know my flowers, but it's delicious. What is that? The way that is going to drive me insane, but yet I'm too lazy to look it up. I don't freaking know, man, but that's really good. I really love that. Like, I'm going to link this and have it pop up on the screen for y'all if you want to shop it, because this, hands down, 100%, I can guarantee you, I will be repurchasing that for sure. I love that scent. Is this a Natasha Denona something? My Dream Cheek Trio. Y'all, I have been like so out of the loop with so much makeup. Oh, this is cool. I actually wanted this back in the day, but I never bought it. Oh, okay. Yay. I don't even know if I have the eyeshadow palette that matches that. I used to be so ridiculous and buy everything. So this is a cream blush glow. Well, this color, oh, that shocked me. I literally thought that was going to be so gray. Okay. I was really afraid it's going to be gray on me, but it's not. Ooh, dang. That is so beauteous. Glow cream base. Love, love, love. And then the Dream Glow. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay. Well, I'll be using that. That's beautiful. I'm excited about that. You can't really see it too much, but it's definitely buildable. And I kind of was dainty with it, but I really, really like that. I used to be so obsessed. Like, I love Natasha Denona, don't get me wrong, and Pat McGrath. Do you guys remember, like, every time, like, and I would get so much freaking hate for buying all this stuff too, that I just quit showing it on my channel. But every time they launch something, I get so excited and I buy it. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. Yeah, this is good. I really, really love this. I'm obsessed with Body Butters body creams. I just absolutely love extra hydration. So standout products for me personally are definitely these 3 right here. Now you get 8 in total. I have heard really good thing about whatever actives, resurfacing honey charcoal mask, and I know I like Core. So as far as the skincare stuff goes, pretty excited. There's 3 things in here I'm not excited over, but again, I have to keep in mind I did not curate this box for myself, but you are actually going to get to do that, predominantly curating it for what you would like. So if you are interested in signing up and trying it out, then this is just a quarterly box. This is not something that is every month at all. If you want that, the link will be down there and you could choose that. But I will have a link for you all to go ahead, sign up if you want to. It's an affiliate link. I will, somewhere on here, I will link my standout products for you all. If you just want to purchase those, then I will have that for you all. So anyways, if you guys have tried any of these products, let me know. I would greatly appreciate it. Do want to give a shout out to my girl Martha. Her spring collection of candles has dropped, and then she is keeping We All Love Love Spell, that scent, and she is keeping that scent available in this beautiful jar, which would be beautiful for Mother's Day. And I will have it, well, actually, coupon code Hotmess. I can't link this. I'll have a link to her website, but Hotmess saves you 15% off $15 or more. Her candles are non-toxic, and all of her candles jars are reusable, whether you use them for a makeup brush holder or a glass to drink out of. They're definitely reusable. So anyways, I am hopping off. My brain is shutting down. I actually have the Walmart box to unbox for you guys. I'm a little behind. We're not surprised. School is kicking my backside. Yeah, so I'm hopping off for now. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are. And until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah. Bye. With you, I feel like breaking rules on the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about